Are you looking for the best exercise bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best exercise bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Peloton Bike Plus. By now everybody knows about Peloton, yet somehow still, not everyone has tried a ride. We're here to tell you there's a reason that the brand has become so popular. It combined a superbly designed, connected bike with a charismatic crew of trainers and ignited a fitness following. The delivery is taken care of by Peloton, who unbox and mount the bike for you at your chosen location, an example of the high level of service that comes from the brand. The bike itself is fairly durable, and relatively simplistic outside of the 24-inch HD touchscreen. With the Bike Plus you are able to rotate the screen, allowing you to utilize the open floor space next to you to participate in strength classes as well. The truth is, when you buy a Peloton you are buying more than a bike, you are buying a community. And you are getting a best-in-class library of instructor-led studio-style classes. From cycling to off-bike sessions like core workouts and hybrid strength classes, the variety of content is endless. The engaging live class offerings and fun gamification of your data makes the bike especially great for beginners or anyone who has difficulty maintaining a regimen. On the downside, the initial investment can be a detractor, and the monthly subscription fee for access to Peloton's classes can also add up. However, if you fully utilize the platform and its library of classes, it can be a worthwhile expense. The only other issue that our team had was instead of a traditional foot cage, the Peloton requires Delta-compatible cleats that clip into the pedals, giving you another step and another purchase before you start your ride. This is to allow for the best experience with the programmed classes and resistance level changes, so it's an understandable ask. Peloton also offers a 30-day in-home trial with free delivery, setup, and, if needed, pickup and return. It's a commitment to customer satisfaction that helps protect your investment in this bike. At number 2. AssaultFitness AirBike Classic. The Assault AirBike Classic is the undisputed heavyweight champion of high-intensity exercise bikes for under $800. There's a raw, unapologetic simplicity about this bike that we can't help but admire. It's a no-nonsense machine that prioritizes the essence of a challenging workout without distractions. The bike shows up in a box at your door about 85% built out, only taking about 45 minutes or so to attach the feet, arm pedals, and screen. It doesn't have flashy tech features and even lacks some basic finishes like water bottle holders, media trays, or touchscreen displays, but does what matters most extremely well, delivering an intense, muscle-pumping cardio workout. Weighing in at less than 100 pounds, it's the lightest and most budget-friendly airbike model from Assault. But don't mistake its lightness for weakness. This machine is a testament to sturdiness and durability. It can comfortably handle rigorous usage without breaking a sweat. The bike can be loud though, so be prepared to not easily listen to your music or podcast during your sprints. The absence of a windscreen is also a minor and chilly inconvenience, especially when training in cold conditions in a garage or basement. Compared to the Pro X and Elite airbike models from the brand, the warranty on the Classic doesn't provide the same level of coverage as its higher-priced counterparts. The good news is that it has proved incredibly durable in our 6+ years of testing, with only minimal signs of wear and tear emerging, like rust and corrosion. At number 3. NordicTrack Commercial S22i Studio Cycle. The NordicTrack S22i earned its spot on this list because it doesn't just deliver cutting-edge training technology to the user, it also delivers the world for those more adventure-minded riders. Do you want to feel like you are cycling through the Swiss Alps or along the beaches of Hawaii? That's what the NordicTrack offers, and not just by showing pretty landscapes on its 22-inch screen. Unlike the other bikes on this list, the S22i is able to replicate both incline and decline, so you feel like you are really winding up and down the hills of Switzerland. The setup is easy enough to do solo, but it helps if you have a person around to help you for some of the more involved moments of assembly. The bike is sturdy and robust, but also heavy, weighing over 200 pounds. So be sure that you build it in close proximity to where you are going to want to ride it, because it's not very easy to move around. At number 4. Echelon Connect EX5. This bike is no slouch when it comes to its hardware. In fact, it offers many of the same features as bikes double its price. From adjustable handlebars to convenient dumbbell holders, 32 levels of resistance, toe cage pedals, and a spacious touchscreen display, it boasts all the features you'd expect from a premium bike. And it's wrapped in a sleek, matte black finish that oozes style. The assembly is fairly easy, taking about 45 minutes to set up. The bike arrives in a box about 85% built with just the feet, handles, and pedals needing to be mounted. The bike has a nice compact frame and takes up the least amount of space in the home. The brand found a way to cut down on the cost by removing the expensive touchscreen and giving you a platform to place your own mobile device or tablet and allowing you to follow any classes you want that way. Whether we were sprinting or climbing out of the saddle during intense workouts, this bike offered unwavering stability. We never found ourselves wobbling or feeling uneasy on this machine. The elevated bullhorn handlebars aren't just about style, they provide an elbow rest that we found essential during grueling climbs. It's a thoughtful touch that we found enhances overall riding comfort. The competition-style seat on this bike strikes a balance between comfort and support that other bikes we've tested in this price range miss the mark on. It's designed for long sessions, providing that Goldilocks level of cushioning. While this bike offers an all-around fantastic workout experience, especially for the cost, and is a great pick no matter your goals.